Pressform is a diverse engineering business located in Bassendean, Western Australia, with over 35 years' experience servicing a range of industries worldwide. One specialist service offered by Pressform is stud welding, which meets the requirements for the installation of refractory anchors required in industrial kilns. Refractory anchors are necessary to ensure reliable adherence of concrete linings to the interior surface of high-temperature kilns. The stud welding system developed by Pressform radically improves the efficiency of installing the anchors. Traditional installation of rod lock and rotor lock anchors has been done using conventional welding techniques at a rate of around 15 lugs per hour. The Pressform technique improves the rate to 150 lugs per hour. In this example, in a rotating kiln in the southwest of Western Australia, 14,000 anchors were installed in 3 days. The Pressform stud welding system includes a mobile welder with all necessary leads, welding handpieces and ancillary equipment. The system can be powered by a 200 kVA generator or via mains power. The welding handpiece is a proprietary model fitted with a chuck modified by Pressform to accommodate the Pressform stud weldable lug and ceramic ferrule. Operated in a vertical mode, the handpiece is pressed into a prepared surface and when completed, removed and the ceramic collar chipped away from the stud before moving to the next position. All welding is carried out to Australian standards. Pressform has also designed and produced a simple-to-use testing device to ensure each lug conforms to the required weld integrity. The cylinder is fitted over the lug and the correct torque applied via a tension wrench. The refractory anchors are also supplied by Pressform. These are inserted through the hole in the lug and pulled firmly into place. For additional security, Pressform's patented spring locking clips are also available to ensure the anchors remain in position throughout the concreting process. Lugs supplied by Pressform are available in carbon steel, stainless steel and nickel alloys. Voltage and current settings are critical. In this example, 100 metres of lead delivered effective current to the stud welding process. Written welding procedures are available to assist with settings. In the field, operators should wear approved PPE and follow accepted welding practices, ensuring adequate ventilation, lighting and clean, uncluttered work conditions. Critical to the stud welding operation are the correct layout of anchor patterns and the preparation of the weld points, where grinding and centre popping is used to optimise weld integrity. Demonstrations of the Pressform stud welding technique can also be arranged. The Pressform stud welding system can be packed away into a robust container for transport to most industrial locations. Pressform will supply all the equipment and consumables required, including the stud welder, welding guns, testing devices, cables, spare parts, anchor wires, lugs and ceramics, all of which can be delivered to any location or worksite. With over 35 years in the industry, Pressform knows what industry needs and can deliver.